Hi, I'm Joan Lok. Happy 2023. For the new year, let's celebrate and all go to Japan together. Yes, we're not going to do that. But in my first online workshop in January 2023, what I'm going to do is we're gonna go to Japan virtually and learn how to paint the treasure boat and also the Lucky Rake, two symbols of good luck and good fortune for the new year in Japan. For the treasure boat and the Lucky Rake, you'll see that they are full of items. These are the symbol of good luck and good fortune that are hung in homes and residences all around Japan. And there are many different items in it. And in this workshop, we'll learn how to paint them and also understand the meaning of some of them. And they could represent money, good health, good fortune, and long life, good business, and even beauty and marriage. So what we'll do is we'll first paint the treasure boat, and the treasure boat will bring all this treasure to you during the new year. And we will also include the simple calligraphy of how to paint the word treasure and also long life that you can put on the sail of the treasure boat. And in the Lucky Rake is a bamboo rack that you can use to clean the house. But then what we'll do is the Lucky Rake will get all the good fortune. So it is full of items, and all these items represent good luck and good fortune for the new year. So we'll learn how to do the items, then put them in the treasure bowl and again in the Lucky Rake. So at the end of the workshop, you will have two beautiful paintings to hang in your house to represent good fortune to welcome year 2023. I hope to see you in our January workshop to create Greek symbols and also learn about the culture of Japan and the Far East. Thank you and hope to see you. Bye-bye.